Come on now, let's really get into it. If we gonna be a content creator, let's be a content creator. You know what I'm saying? Hi, Barbie. I look a mess, y'all, because I just threw my wig on. I'm gonna be honest. And one thing about my God, he know he gonna get the glory out of my life. We're in Ikea. Your girl's gonna be starting her new journey. She do too. And I had to call on Jesus a couple times. Babe, when the favor of God is upon you, right idea, not enough time. You know what I mean? It's always gonna be me and you against the world thing. We're damsels in distress. Where's the man? Got into nursing school. Sometimes you just gotta know when it's your time. Just want to stop and give a special thank you to the Nail Reserve for sending me these beautiful polishes. Y'all been rocking with this brand for a minute, and they kindly sent over 8 of their polishes. Nail Reserve is a LA city based company. One of their values is to celebrate and empower all, and this company is vegan and cruelty free, and they also found a way to make over 100+ gel polishes, which are bomb, free of harsh chemicals. We actually managed to sell out one of their polishes over on my TikTok, y'all, and it is by the name of C Swing Sun. So definitely not new to these polishes. I love this company, and I definitely highly recommend y'all check them out with the links in my description box down below.
You have to be a praying woman. You have to be a woman of the word. And a woman of worship. Then who can be against us?
The wrath of the Lord. You do not want to be in the way of that.
Those are your weapons.
According to my righteousness, I pursued my enemies and overtook them. I did not turn back till they were destroyed. God, I thank you for your strength, God. Your strength that you can pass along to us, God, even when we get weary, Lord. I thank you that you are there making sure the victory is ours. I thank you. And enemies don't always have to be physical people, Lord, but the unseen enemy, God, the unseen enemies that we may battle with and toil with and fight. I thank you, God, that through you we have victory over them. So, God, I pray for anyone, God, that even is going to come across this video, God, that they may know that they are more than conquerors in you, God. There is no battle that they won't win with you, God. So in Jesus' name, we bless you, and we just thank you for all that you do for us, God. Even behind the scenes, we thank you for the many battles that you're fighting on behalf of us, Lord.
And then you come out looking beautiful. Make the devil go mad by looking cute, beautifully fine.
So sometimes I like to actually film my voiceover before I actually get into editing, because depending on what I'm saying, sometimes I want to make the clip to match what I'm actually saying. Hi, Bella. So I'll just go in and put in all my clips and then do my voiceover, and then when the voiceover is finished and edited like to how I like it, then I'll start to edit the clips down according to the voiceover. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Let me get my birthday free because I've always wanted to do this. Let's get it. Okay, so that's like my hook. So when I'm filming content, I always try to keep in mind a hook, which is something that grabs your viewers' attention within the first like 3 seconds, especially for TikTok and shorter form content. Sometimes I think of my scripts just on the spot, like how this is now. This is like real life. I'm kind of just going off the top of my dome, and that's kind of what I do for most of my scripts, to be honest. Sometimes I just film what I want to film. I have a vision for everything, and then I put the voiceover together like as I'm editing the video. You kind of want to keep it cute and short, or like, who doesn't love free stuff? I'm getting my birthday freebies with me, so I'm gonna delete what I had in there and I'm gonna see how I like that, and I'm probably gonna speed the rest up. Who doesn't love getting a bunch of free stuff? Come with me and get my birthday freebies. I've always wanted to film this video. Let's get into it. I think I like that. I think I like that. So in the first few seconds, I'm literally letting you know that I'm about to get free stuff. Like, who doesn't love free stuff? You know what I mean? Everybody does. So that should make you want to stick around to see what I got for free. You see what I'm saying? Let's talk about how I'm feeling after recently applying to nursing school while I do my nighttime skincare. Let's talk about how I'm feeling after recently. Sometimes you just gotta know when it's your time. You know what I mean? All right, y'all, so today is actually Thursday, I believe. I did not film whatsoever yesterday. I could have. I had a lot going on, y'all. I didn't tell y'all, but I recently applied to nursing school, so I was trying to study for an exam, and I stayed up all late last night for that. and I literally missed my first meeting. It was like at 12 o'clock today, I think, and I just forgot to set my alarm, girl. Right now it's 3:51, and at 4 o'clock I have another meeting for a brand that's like launching a new product. Yeah, I just had to get myself together. Ignore my bed. I had a late start on the day today. Hello, you had 2 meetings today. I'm about to head into the office so that I can log in and do everything that I need to do. Let me get my drink. Can't wait till we get our desk, y'all. Like, I'm really trying to get a company to sponsor me one, because that would be awesome if we didn't have to pay for the desk. But girl, we gonna see. we gonna see. This battery's about to die. Let me log in. It's about that time. All right, y'all. It has been a minute since I talked to y'all. I talked to y'all earlier after the launch meeting, which was really nice. They got some good stuff brewing and dropping really soon. So we got to just learn about the products and everything. And then my camera died. Good morning. Today is the day that I take my HESI entrance exam, and it is 7:39. I take it at 8:10 this morning on July 3rd. And I just wanted to document this. I've been praying nonstop, and I pray that I do pass it on my first try. If not, it's okay. Your girl got a second chance to do it right. So yeah, this is our office room. We just don't have a desk yet, unfortunately. I'm gonna set up my laptop, which is currently down here on the floor, and I need to clean my glasses because they're so dirty. But we about to go get us some frozen yogurt. I just hurried up and got my camera out my room, freaking slapped my wig on my head. I could tell y'all that I got into nursing school. I was sitting here and I got an email and I checked it. And I thought I was gonna have to retake my test, y'all. I thought I didn't do good on my first HESI exam. I was just praising God, just thanking God, because this is the first step. But I could cross it off my vision board for the next 6 months. I recently created a vision board mapping out the next 6 months and like what I want out of these next 6 months. And I'm already about to be crossing something off. Like, glory be to God. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a new journey. This is just the beginning. I'm excited, but I know I gotta buckle up now, and your girl's gonna be starting her new journey. I just knew I had to retake that test because I didn't do that good on the test. Out of 4 subjects, I did really good on 2 of them. The other 2, not so good. Glory be to God, because when something is when it's meant to be and it's for you, it'll be for you. Y'all, it's definitely a lot of time later. I've definitely had more than enough time to just kind of reflect on everything. I'm super duper excited. I just kind of wanted to come on here because I was feeling just led to speak a little bit and just say, like, one thing about my God, babe, when the favor of God is upon you, if only y'all knew, like, just a mini testimony. The fact that today is the 12th that I found out, you know, that I got into nursing school, and on the 1st, God had me create my vision board. Basically, I was having quiet time with God, and he was just like bringing me back to some old things that he had asked me, like concerning, like, Keandra, what do you want? And then he was just like, write down your dream. And I'm like, dream? God, I already do that. Like, you know, I'm a dreamer. It's like, no, I don't gotta be that type of dream. Girl, we was just having a whole dialogue, like just me and my father, you know, just talking back and forth. It was given very much write the vision, make it plain, you know what I mean? Then I just started thinking about a vision board, and then the fact that it was the first day of the last 6 months. So, you know, God was just connecting all the pieces. Boom, I make my vision board, and I put on there, of course, that I want to start nursing school. And the fact that I've been able to cross that off 11 days later, it's nobody but God. And one thing about my God, he know he gonna get the glory out of my life. He know that. And one thing about it, when God knows he can trust you to bring him the glory every time, baby, it's only right that he gonna keep elevating you, because he know that you trustworthy, that whenever he does do something for you, you're gonna come back, report, and testify about it. And I'm all about that. So I just had to talk about the goodness of my God right quick, because it's just a lot. Like, developing your personal journey and relationship with God, it's just everything. It's everything. I can't quite literally put it into words right now, but God is so good. Seeing it right now. I'm seeing myself rewatching these clips. See, girl, sometimes you gotta just see it before you see it, and you gotta actively just activate that faith and work that thing out. Hey y'all, so today is Sunday. I just finished doing this cute little set on my nail. I'm actually getting ready to pack real quick because I'm gonna be in Milwaukee for a couple days, kicking it with my bestie because my girl just got her first apartment. Ari Lennox new apartment, okay, for my girl. So I'm about to kick it with her. It's been a minute since I've seen her. The last time I was in Milwaukee was in April, the end of April to be exact. So I'm super excited to be kicking with my bestie. I'm about to take y'all with me. Girl, church was so good. Church was so good. Like, when I say an on-time word, I mean an on-time word. God is definitely moving and doing some amazing things, and I just can't wait to see him show up even the more in my life and in your life. Praying for you, sis, bro. I don't know who watching this. I'm praying his covering over you. It's just a good day today. The battery died, but anyways, basically packed, y'all. This battery about to die too. I'm gonna just see y'all when I'm in a car or something. I'm finishing up. It's dark. All right, y'all, it's 8:34 and I'm just now hitting the road, so I probably will see y'all later on. But I'm all packed up. You would think I'm going on a mini vacation. I kind of am. I'm gonna be there like 2-3 days. I know, it's okay, you're okay, right here, it's okay, I know. Hey y'all, we are sitting on a bathroom floor because this is Bella's safe space right now. I look a mess, y'all, because I just threw my wig on, I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, y'all, it's definitely the 4th of July. It is 9:35. Bella is getting better. Like I said, the bathroom right now is her safe space. The air thing on and it's not as bad to her or what. She was having a whole conniption, and it makes sense because this is probably Bella's technically second 4th of July, but the first one at this house in Illinois. And they popping them over here. So yeah, this is how I'm spending it, on the bathroom floor with Bella. And you know what, that's okay. I've had my moments. It's like the louder she got, the louder I wanted to get. You know what I mean? But I have to stoop myself down and put myself in her shoes. Like, this is probably super scary. And of course I did my research. A lot of dogs get anxiety around this day. And so I was just trying to figure out more ways to just comfort her, you know? And I had to call on Jesus a couple times, I'm not gonna lie. It's like, she is doing so much better sitting in here in the bathroom. Ain't that right? I told her before I cut the camera on, because I talk to Bella like she my best friend, y'all. I'm gonna be real, I do. I love her. And she loves me, and we just connected like that, you know what I mean? So I told her, I'm like, girl, remember, it's me and you against the world. It's always gonna be me and you against the world, stink. Hey girls, we're getting ready to go see the Barbie movie. I'm super excited. If you want more content that's not this, make sure you check out the Get Rid of Me on my TikTok. I'm pressed for time. I might just end up inserting the TikTok in here. Right idea, not enough time, you know what I mean? Dang, I done got finished getting ready and it's 9:55. The trailers will be starting in 5 minutes, and that's insane. Well, this is my outfit, y'all. I have to hurry up. This is it. We gotta go. Okay, thank you. Y'all, we made it. Finally. Did he say 15? Yep, because look, ultra screen. We're here, guys, to see. Hi, Barbie. Hey, kid. He's like, hi, Barbie. Oh, my, this one just started at 10:20, though. We should have just saw it in there. Oh, man. H910.
Yeah, you done went, and I took it into the, so I walked it in.
Baby, it's too much going on. What the f do you go in?
No,
dog in the car, hope they don't call the cops on her.
People have had their dogs while they in the store all the time. I'm just trying to get some content. You gotta.
We need to just get our freaking desk and get out of here.
Yeah, I can still hear her.
Go straight to where the desk is.
We're in Ikea. We're about to get our desks for the office, finally. She do too. She's embarrassing us. We had this big old huge stupid Ikea. I knew Ikeas be big, but golly.
We're gonna eat them up.
Now we finna eat them up just by getting some desks. Dang, they got 3 floors up in here.
On this floor.
Maybe on the second floor. It's like workspaces.
Yeah.
Dang, y'all, it's kind of huge in here. Crazy or goodness.
What the hell are we?
Y'all, this store is freaking huge. Is that an elevator? I'm done. It's too much. This store is overwhelming.
See, that's why I never want to.
Mom, when you vlog in, you just gotta ignore people, act like they don't exist, because they be staring at you.
Those lights.
Oh, which ones?
Just those different ones.
Aw. These are pretty.
I love the lighting.
I was like, you never been.
Okay, so did you pick up like too much in here?
It is
Where's
kind
the desk? Did you get it?
Yeah, in a video.
It say no need. Alright, you got
Operation Find the Desk.
Oh, what?
Mom, why would we struggle when it's literally workers right there? Finally made it to the basis of it all.
This is a cute little desk.
This is cute, actually. I found the drawers. Houseway.
This chair short as
I don't know. What y'all think? We stuck. We're torn. I feel like I actually like the mic or the whatever, the mic, the Mickey. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna get back to y'all when we make a decision.
We're gonna get these.
Okay, y'all. I think we're making our decision.
The office.
It definitely glows. Y'all, if y'all don't know, our colors are what? White, blush, pink, white, and gray with some gold and silver. It's giving very much.
It's giving very much.
Comfy vibe.
Yeah.
4, 5, and 6. We found it. It's so dark over here. Come on now, let's really get into it. If we gonna be a content creator, let's be a content creator. You know what I'm saying? We're damsels in distress. Where's the man? By myself. We did it, y'all.
Here.
Express checkout.
My seats, Mr. Guy.
The way. Our IKEA trip has come to an end. I need an oil blotting sheet like yesterday, by the face. All right, y'all. We had a successful IKEA trip.
IKEA runner, whatever.
Or whatnot. Baby, we would not want anybody to fly over a hood for not paying attention.
Sure no fuck would.
Reunited with Bella. We got the desk, y'all. And I told my mama I'm assembling them tonight. If I can, like my brother could definitely like help with something like that, but they're not here. You know what I mean? And when you want things done now, what do? You do it, you get her done yourself.
IKEA coupons.
She did say that. IKEA coupons. I had bought some, I get questions on them shelves to this day. I had bought some shelves from them like a while ago before we moved. And when we went, I just did a pickup. So we had never actually been inside IKEA. I know she was in here clowning. You was in here clowning? You better move for this fall on you.
Hey, shut up. God damn it.
I got that. Oh, yeah.